Oppo A3 has been launched, a new mid-range offering with a 19:9 aspect ratio bezel-less display and an iPhone X-like notch. It also ships with 128 GB of inbuilt storage, which is another highlight of the smartphone. The company is also touting the design of the smartphone, which uses nanoscale microcrystalline tech to provide a diamond effect in color patterns. As with other recent Oppo phones, it comes with AI-based beautification and scene recognition features. There is also a game mode for uninterrupted gaming, gestures optimized for the bezel-less display, and an AI-based smart assistant. Finally, the Oppo A3 is also said to be 128-point face recognition technology that can unlock a smartphone in as little as 0.08 seconds. The Oppo A3 price has been set at 2,099 Chinese yuan, roughly Rs 22,100, and it is available to buy already. The company is touting a special introduction price of 1,999 Chinese yuan, roughly Rs 21,000. It will be available in black, pink, red, and silver color variants. The dual SIM, Nano, Oppo A3 runs ColorOS 5.0 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. It sports a 6.2-inch Full HD+, 1080x2280 pixels, LTPS display with a pixel density of 405 ppi and a 19:9 aspect ratio. It is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio P60 SoC clocked up to 2 GHz, coupled with 4 GB of RAM. The Oppo A3 bears a 16-megapixel rear camera with an f/1.8 aperture and dual LED flash. On the front, it sports an 8-megapixel camera with an f/2.2 aperture. It ships with 128 GB of inbuilt storage, expandable via microSD card, up to 256 GB. Connectivity options include 4G VoLTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, Bluetooth v4.2, GPS/AGPS, micro USB with OTG, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Sensors on board the Oppo A3 include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, and a proximity sensor. It sports a 3400 mAh battery, measures 156 x 75.3 x 7.8 mm, and weighs 159 grams.